How to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Chime. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Wells Fargo to Chime. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, in order to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Chime, what you can do is simply open up Chime. Then you want to head over to Move Money option, as you can see there at the bottom of the screen. Once here on the Move Money option, you shall be able to see the option that says Transfer from Other Banks under Add Money to Chime. There you can tap on Transfer from Other Banks and enter in and add in your Fargo Bank details, Wells Fargo Bank details. Then you can go ahead and transfer it easily to your Chime. So this is the quickest and easiest process available. This is how you can transfer money easily from Wells Fargo to Chime. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.